recipes.
Today's quick tip is creating patterns in Paint Editor. I have a flower garden over here which I created in Paint Editor using patterns. As you can see, when I move the flowers, all of them move together. So now let's get started. Let's take any sprite. I'll just take the flower. And you can see a paintbrush. Click on that and you'll come to the paint editor. I'll just get it to the bottom. And I want more of the flower, so click on the right. You can see a stamp and click on the flower and wait for 1 second. Now you have your another flower. Move it wherever you want. And yeah, this is where I want. But there is a little bit problem here. The problem is that the first flower is not above the second flower. So there is one simple trick to make it above. Just hold it and here. Now it's above the second flower. So I created more flowers using the pattern tool. As you can see, that's the tip for today.